Hey people, so before I speak of a review and all, I just need to say this, yeah, that to be able to continue on this YouTube journey, besides having uh, persistence and that's what perseverance, one also needs a certain, regardless of what anyone says, and like you need to have a certain confidence, yeah. I mean, like with regard to the way one looks also, there are times you look nice, there are times you look like you've just fallen into a bucket of oil, or just this thing, but the important thing is to keep going, because you will find people who will just say any random stuff. So if you allow your entire future to be decided by such idiots, then it's only, we stand to lose. I mean, for just allowing such people to dictate their thoughts and views to us, they're baseless without any reason. And this is a very important thing I learned, that people who can't do criticize. So people who would leave a not so nice comment and all, 9 out of 10, yeah, 10 on 10 chance is that they themselves don't have a channel. So then it's easy to comment, right, on someone else. So just now I read a very amazing unique comment, but the funny thing is I don't let such comments even stay on my channel for long. I just delete it. So they've basically wasted their time by posting something nasty and all. So now everybody's frustrated at home, right? So lot of free time to sit and type some, there are some weirdos. 99% of the crowd is decent, 99.999% is decent. That remaining 0.1%, why do we have to give them our time even in this video? So anyway, so people, there was this Samantha movie called um, uh, okay no, it's the movie was called Janu. I mean, the Hindi movie was called Okay Janu, but this Telugu film was called Janu, which is based on this Tamil film called 96, which had Trisha and Vijay Sethupathi, these Tamil stars. And people, it's the story is about uh, this class of 96 that has a reunion. And the guy who had a crush on the girl back then, even 20 years later when they meet for the reunion, he's still single, because somewhere he still holds, it's your first love kind of thing. So, and Trisha, the actress, is married with a kid, and she stays abroad and all. So amazing show. See, after coughing I'm scared to continue recording. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.